It is June 29th, 2018, and we are checking out of the beautiful Ripa Relai. Is that how you pronounce it? There she is. We've been lounging by the beautiful pool, and we're going to continue to do so here at the grounds until we hit the road and go toward another destination in Umbria. But guess what? We're coming back here tomorrow, and then we'll leave Sunday for Tuscany. So we have checked out a Ripa Relai for a day, and we are now at another bed and breakfast, recently restored, an old farmhouse. They've even put in a pool. This is our accommodations for the evening. Look at this. This is really something. Bathroom. What do you think?
I think we're in an old stone farmhouse. Our beautiful king-size bed, and our table, and our kitchen, complete with the cake that Roberta made for us.
She sure did. Let me get some light in here so you can see. By the window. That will be gobbled up in the morning.